We are Amachumu Bio, and we are so excited to share with you our envisioning, where we hope to have a worm-free world where healthy communities can thrive. So the founders of Amachumu Bio have realized over the years that gastrointestinal parasites in people are one of the great diseases of our time. They impact around 1.5 billion individuals across the planet. These parasites prevent individuals from prospering, and they ruin future intellectual and economic potential of the infected population. It's estimated that intestinal parasites contribute to over $130 billion in economic losses. Important to our cause at Amachumu Bio is the disproportionate effect of intestinal parasites on women of childbearing age and on children in general. So to quantify, in the 6 most populous states of India, which make up around 30% of India's total population, 50% of children are infected. So what's important is while treatments do exist, these drugs do not work to their intended efficacy, and this continues to grow. What also we wanted to mention is that while treatments do, or we talked about treatments, but humans aren't the only ones experiencing this lack of treatment efficacy as well. These gastrointestinal parasites are devastating horses, dogs, sheep, pigs, poultry, and cattle. These are all deeply impacted as well. So in the cattle industry alone, we've seen that it's estimated that there's $2.5 billion in economic losses as a result. So our team is motivated to help people and animals that will benefit from a highly effective dewormer. So our solution is a paraprobiotic dewormer supplement called IBaCC. IBaCC has many salient features, namely that it's safe, cost-effective, and it has scalable manufacturing benefits. As an extremely important feature about our product is that it overcomes resistance to major drug classes. So dogs, for example, are extremely impacted by intestinal parasites, and IBaCC can stand up to this, though, to this great challenge because it's shown to overcome this triple drug resistance. So building on the extremely positive results with dogs, IBaCC has also been well tolerated and effective in additional animal studies, including horses and pigs, which you see demonstrated here. So based on this rampant multi-drug resistance we're seeing, there's an immediate need for a better dewormer, and IBaCC shows superior efficacy compared to all known other treatments. So our product has many advantages to bring about the elimination of these gastrointestinal parasite worms that we've been talking about tonight. To follow up on the safety and efficacy data you've seen, IBaCC represents a patented delivery of a natural crystal protein seen over here on the left. It's already extensively available in the human food chain for ease of adoption and tolerance. And then next, so by choosing to commercialize a paraprobiotic supplement, the team has a fast-track path to market to rapidly reach the humans who need the supplement most. In fact, we expect to begin human trials in September 2021. Our path to market, you can see here, has a focus on de-risking IBaCC as a supplement through R&D. We'll spend the next year gaining generally recognized as safe status from the FDA, which will allow us the ability to then initiate human clinical trials. Our mission in the clinical trials is to prove safety and efficacy. From there, we'll be able to immediately manufacture and distribute IBaCC to go to market in 2 target geographic locations. We're expecting both Burundi and Brazil with the goal of June 2022. And so right now, I'd like to introduce the 2 brilliant scientific minds behind IBaCC. You have Drs. Rafi Ororian and Gary Ostroff. So the Amachumu Bio team humbly thanks you for listening to our presentation this evening. We're so appreciative of our partnerships, and we welcome any interest and support to help us deworming the world.